Hey, it's Daria here. Welcome. I have received a couple of questions and emails about my online course, Fundamentals of Agile Coaching, and I wanted to jump in the platform and show you what it is to kind of give you a sneak peek into the course to help you decide whether this is the right course for you. So let me go into the course and show you the platform. Here I am on the platform, and we are currently using Mighty Networks as our platform of choice to host the course, which might be changing in the future to offer you some better features in the online course. So you're here, this is the main hub of the platform. This is kind of just a list of different news and things that I have posted here in the past few months. Now, going into the programs, you will have access to the fundamentals of Agile. This is one of the things that is obviously part of the course. And once we're getting into the platform, as you can see, you are kind of starting at the syllabus. Here you have all of the modules and all of the lessons. We currently have 4 modules here. And as you can see, lots of lessons. The second module is the longest one. Lots of things are happening there. And kind of coming in, getting started video, giving you some of the ideas of how to better get through the course and get you some additional information on really going through the course. And now once we are jumping into the lessons, so that would be a traditional lessons, you'll have the video where I explain the topic a bit more, kind of giving you an overview. You will have some additional materials as well to give you for some additional self-studying. And then you have a worksheet. You have a worksheet for every single lesson in the course. So lots of things to do, a lot of things that you can go into, as well as obviously other materials that can be useful. Now let's look into the worksheet just to give you a sneak peek into what it looks like and what you can do with it. And here we are on the worksheet. This is a downloadable PDF file that you can get. I give you some instructions on how to complete it, and some lessons actually come with a Miro board that you can use. Now going into the lesson itself. So basically you will get the information on the lesson. I'm giving you just a little bit more information just to give you kind of a few more nuggets of wisdom. And if the lesson does have a Miro board, then you're going to have a link here. And then going into the worksheet, I am asking you very specific questions on the topic that we looked at in the lesson. So in the lesson, I am talking about this particular topic, and right after that, we are trying to implement it right away. And I am asking you the questions related to your team, if this lesson makes sense to be applied to your team. But if not, I'm asking you general questions as well. So kind of giving you what you need to do, giving you some examples, and usually you have lots of different questions associated with every lesson. Every lesson is kind of adding on top of the previous lesson. So as you go through the course, you are expanding your understanding, and the worksheets are also related to each other. So sometimes you go back to the things that you have done previously in the worksheets, and you can come back and look into some of those decisions that you made, or maybe some of the ideas that you put in, and reuse them in the future lessons. If you're getting the full package for the Fundamentals of Agile class, you also get, obviously, the ability to get some feedback on your worksheet. So that is something that you can do right here. Looking into other things that you can find on the platform, you also have the activity feed for the course where you can introduce yourself. And this is where I share some of the information around potentially how to get the certificate of completion, or how to get items onto Miro board and other things, also as other students are saying hi and introducing themselves to help you kind of connect to each other and really see other members. And then we also have topics. So every module has its own space. So if you have a specific question, or you want to submit a worksheet for review, you can use these to just kind of put it into there and ask for some feedback, not only from me, but also from other students, so that you can help each other. If you're going for the bigger package, if one of the things that is listed there is the bonus materials and exclusive resource library, so this is where you would go and kind of get back to the network. You have the resource library where I have some additional things that are just things that I have added along the way, some of the materials that are not really shown anywhere else, as well as my past recordings. So if you want to look into additional topics kind of that are not specifically related to the course, you have some of this here. I am giving you some templates sometimes and examples, some of the videos that you can't really find anywhere else, right? For example, the PSM3 exam preparation, or, other things that I have created, and I'm just sharing it here, just kind of adding some additional information that might be helpful for you. So this is really some of the good additional things that are there. And then right now we also have other materials here, but then if you go into the main page, we have chats right here where you can talk to other people in the platform. If you would like, you can have bigger chat features. For example, if you are going into the Mastering Scrum chat. So those are some of the ways of how you can communicate with me and with others. And I am thinking to move to a platform that will allow us to have more collaboration. I also use Slack for some additional ways to communicate, but I do want to move to a platform that will allow us to not only have the course, but also have the community aspect of it that is not limited by the limitations that we have in Slack right now. But this is something that will be coming in the next year. But if you are part of the course, you will be just moved in there as well with us and can continue to use the course and access all of the videos and the worksheets, same as always. One more thing that I provide as part of the Fundamentals of Agile course is the certificate of completion. If you have completed all of the lessons and submitted the workbooks, I will be signing the certificate of completion for you, so you will be able to display it on your profile if you want to just kind of show people that you have completed this course, you have a very good, profound understanding of Agile, and this is a course that has been created by a professional Scrum trainer, so it is kind of a very good source of real information and can be very helpful for you, especially with all of the work that you have already done as part of the worksheets in the class. So this is something that can help you not only actually go through the class, get a certificate of completion, but also have some real results created as part of going through the course. Because in the worksheets, we go into details, we go into actions and practical tips on how you implement Agile and Scrum values and principles in your team and in your organization. So this was a very quick sneak peek and overview of what you can find in the course, what materials you will get, and how you will be able to benefit from those materials and learn Agile and really become an expert in it and be able to implement what you learn in your team and get some real results and show those results to your management. I hope that this was helpful. It gave you some ideas of what you can find in the course, what materials you will have there. Once again, a reminder, you do get over 5 hours of video, over 170 pages of worksheets, actionable worksheets, actually that give you real results. It's not just thinking and adding ideas, it's actually focusing on implementation and action as well. And then as part of it, you also get different materials that can be helpful in addition, and you get access to me. If you have any questions and you need some help on certain workbooks, you can get that help as well when you're part of the community in Mighty Networks, in the platform we're using, or on Slack as well. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope you see you inside of the Fundamentals of Agile online course very soon.